blessing. Lime green Balenciaga, refreshing. Me a the salad, me a the dressing. Give thanks every day for me see blessing. In a girl thing, me a the legend. Me no girl baby belong to me brethren. Girl play with you and a video win. And she keep on the app and me do she sing.
Hi guys, we are at the shopping center. Mommy over here. Just me and mommy today. So walking in. They're so festive. They put up Christmas trees right throughout the mall. I like when places feel the Christmas spirit like that, guys. I really do. Where you going first? Pharmacy? Okay. Oh, and we're going to go into court again. No, this is the pharmacy. Guys. No. I get the candle, you know. It's tea code. Something like in here. Yeah. Yo, mommy, don't play with her eyeliner. Them, you know, like she can't run out of eyeliner. Even if I run out of eyeliner, she can't run out of eyeliner. Like, I'm literally up on the road and then she call me like, you can't get one eyeliner for me. Like, I can't find one. Mommy have like 5 eyeliner. I'm like, come, I'm looking at the thing where she keep it in. I'm always say 3. No, but then I say, Mom, but the eyeliner, oh, I don't like them there. It no, this enough for it, and that's enough. She need a specific kind. What you want all the time? No, what I say like that is mommy #1 makeup product. Like eyeliner. Yeah, for true. Eyeliner and lipstick complete everything for her. Okay. Yeah, I say we get one candle. It's mahogany tea code, I believe. It's so good. I know a lot of you guys on here must know what I'm talking about. You're going to the supermarket now? You're going to the supermarket now? Yeah. I'm going to port. Yeah. It smells like cologne. Yeah. I got it. It's so nice. I love candles. I would order them online, but you see the way shipping things set up with Jamaica. Like the shipping system in a Jamaica customs is a whole long system. Period. I'm not going to take that back. It's a whole long system. And it's annoying. It's the most annoying system here in Jamaica. One off. Yeah. I know a lot of you guys know that already still. But today we're in courts again, so we are looking. How much it is? This not bad for the 2 of them here. That not bad at all. Look at mommy. Glued to the TV. You know, like how the man them glue for watch football. In the supermarket, guys, this is basically a day of just following me around. We got through in court. We got something, so that was a success. And now mommy is going to do some grocery shopping, I'm guessing. Since last prep, I'm hungry. I want to eat certain stuff, but it's like I'm thinking more. I'm taking time to really think about what I'm going to eat. And I just want to eat bad, just to eat bad, you know. It's like kind of setting up my system now. So I want something. I'm stuck between the thought of either getting a smoothie or getting actual food. I don't know what it is, but I'm thirsty right now. Mommy, you're not getting a cereal yet? So you get it from the person where you always get it from?
No, we have to get whatever we can get it from.
Supermarket. You know, getting a plantain? What I got? Oh, you get plantain?
Buy some green one in it. Them are ripe up already.
Yeah, them are ripe up. Yeah. What you cook tomorrow?
Curry chicken or
oh, you're in the mood for curry these days. I cook curry one day, but I never did it.
Yeah.
Never
and
did come
then,
on.
and then because to me need to get the better for curry. The curry.
Oh, you never did really so fun that I wonder.
No, yeah, it was I think just what them call it?
Indian curry?
Indian curry and Indian curry.
Yeah, better pack curry is it.
Better for curry at the bar.
You would think that Indian curry is the best curry, but no, it's not. Better pack is the better one. As it said, better pack. Oh yeah, make juice for tomorrow?
One lemon, I have a lemon and cherry was nice together, really refreshing.
Okay. So you need to get on the health journey and just drink water.
I'm drinking water from the other day. I'm not drinking juice now. No one again.
Oh gosh. Guys, I wanted to go to the gym this morning, but due to my wake up like what? I woke up like after 12, yeah, going to 1. Because I reached home, I actually reached home till, well, no, it was 3:30 this morning. So, yeah, I needed to rest. So, no gym. Guys, my breakout is clearing up. I'm not even going to look, but it's clearing up. Telling you I'm a breakout, I do have breakout. Oh, take up one for me. Oh, which one is down here? Over here. So actually what we just got at court, we're going to pick it up by the Constant Spring branch because we're not at the Constant Spring branch. So that's where we're going to head after this. Buying some liquor, guys. I love this brand Punche Cuba. It's really thick and smooth. It's like something that you blend. So you know, I always kind of just get random stuff. Mommy, we're going. Which one of them here? I'm going to get her 6-pack.
I go for Anchalina coming.
Oh, yeah, go for Anchalina. Bottle of water. So we're leaving now, guys. We're going to the next stop. We'll just get one little something. Rum cake. Oh my gosh, here coming out, eat the whole thing. Buccaneer, Jamaica. Rum cake, coconut flavored. Let's try this before I drive off. Remember, a kiss cake. Come and let them come to give them some competition. The rum already. Alright, mommy. Take half. Think it's a damn break off. Easier than that. How is it? It's smooth, it's moist. I was expecting it to be a little bit more squishy. Mommy wants some for junk happy. I feel like the strength is pretty good, but I feel like I wanted it to be softer. It's pretty good. Must treat them out, people. Look there. Full of the sidewalks, everywhere well decorated. Like guys, look at this is the driveway to go into court. Like what? Everywhere full up, guys. We know that this like and today is just the first day of December.
Of Christmas. First day of Christmas. You know, people, that's what we're going.
Why not people?
You don't just have one day, because right now 25th of the one now go work. So from December and Christmas, yeah, but it's the 25th where everybody does sit down and celebrate, but really Christmas you know. Yeah.
I can't find anywhere to park, even though mommy run gone with the paper to see if we could just pick it up and leave without having to actually come out of the car and go in there. Well, me having to actually come out of the car and go in there, so because in here is a struggle to find parking. Next stop, one piece of fabric. So we'll come over Pablo's. Pablo's is always my first choice. That's just me. That looks nice. Yeah, over this plaza, guys, is a blessing. I just find one parking. Usually over here to jam up. Can't find a parking, you know, over Central Plaza. Central Plaza and a half a tree always ram up. And for a busy Saturday like this one, so we're going. Oh, you're going back? Okay. Alright. Mommy going buy breadfruit because she want to cook breadfruit I keep today. So that would be awesome. So I'm going in here now, guys, to see if I can find a piece of fabric here. 2 step we're making like Pablo's and look on out here, it black up.
Yeah.
people. It's real. I got exactly what I wanted, guys. Exactly what I wanted. I'm so happy right now. Now I need to get one more thing, and I'm hoping that as I have it, and I hope that I can get parking when I go around here, because as I'm there up to all up roadside, so I'm hoping that I get it, and that would be the final step for the day. Today's a busy day, but so far so good. We get everything that we came out here for so far. I think so. Yeah, so that's pretty good. That's a success. That's a success. Ready to take off again. As I know, reach all the way down across the road.
In our cousin say you can't do no video or nothing.
Oh, them send over there. What you say? Last Christmas I went in there and I could video freely. No video or nothing in Azan. Them get strict stuff. Anyways, it's in there we're going now, so I have to come back. Guys, these are so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I need to get one of them. Which one will I forget, mommy? I mean, I like that basic. I like the bling bling up here. Look at it, it's so pretty. I'm back at home, tired. It's been a long day. But I'm happy because we got like some of the main stuff we went out to get today. So that was good. There's a couple more stuff that we need to get, you know, some more shopping that we need to get done, but you know, let me just reach home right now. I got some stuff for my filming room. I don't even remember if I mentioned my film, but yeah, so I got some more stuff for my filming room, so I'm gonna set that up now. So yeah, but that's where I'm gonna end Vlogmas for today. That's where I'm gonna end Vlogmas. No, that's where I'm gonna end today's vlog. So tomorrow's Sunday, and tomorrow's definitely gonna be more chill. Don't know what we're gonna do exactly yet, but you know, cooking. And so mommy is cooking right now. Mommy is cooking breadfruit, and she's gonna make ackee and saltfish with it. No, I'm gonna eat saltfish. I just have to go pick it up. Let me show you a bit. We have the breadfruit right here. Then we have the ackee. You know, I'm gonna eat bread because to me the pan prep and some could eat. Like, I'm so happy. But in the meantime, I'm gonna snack on some apple and June plum. June plum is life. So that's what I'm gonna have. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.